We're now going to go through the diagnostic process for the guideWELD live system. You're going to start by arrowing down to setup. And select that, and then you're going to arrow down to Diagnostics and select that. And we will start with Helmet Diagnostic. And then when you select this, the 3 screens will go through the diagnostic process. There was no error message, so this passed. Now we'll go to hand sensor diagnostic. And this will happen quickly. It will either say pass or fail. Right there. And now we'll finish with the speed sensor diagnostics. And when we select this, it'll have us move a flashlight in front of the speed sensors. You need to use a non-LED flashlight to do this, and you're just going to run it in front of the lens, and the lights should light up. And then you'll get a speed sensor passed message in the screen.